Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Xiaomi device to Doogee S Punk. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first two pop-ups. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Doogee. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Sorry, misclick. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, and after allowing camera access in the pop-up, just point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!